Hello everybody, and welcome once again to the channel. On today's video, we're going to take a look at our brand new feature, Tokenized House Flipping. Thanks to blockchain technology and the asset tokenization process, Landshare's house flipping feature allows anybody to invest in a fix and flip property for as little as $50. It's quite simple actually. First, we buy a house in need of repairs. Then, we tokenize the property and allow investors to contribute to the renovation fund by purchasing the property's tokens. After the flip is done, the house is put on sale. Finally, once it's sold, investors can redeem their tokens and obtain their returns according to the size of their participation. For a more detailed explanation about our house flipping feature, please check and see our detailed tokenized house flipping video. During the house flipping process, the property will be renovated from head to toe to look brand new again. Bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, entrances, landscaping, you name it, Landshare's team will repair it. You can use our app to check out all of the renovations already done and track the progress of the ones currently being performed. You can also check out our Follow the Flip blog series for a behind-the-scenes look of the renovation. You'll find a link to both the app and the blog series in the description down below. If you're already excited about the house flipping opportunities offered by Landshare and would like to know more about how to invest in them, don't worry. You'll find a link to an easy-to-follow guide in the description down below. Nevertheless, here is a short summary of the process. Go to our dashboard page, create your account, and perform the KYC procedure. Once your account and KYC are approved, move into the investment page and select the house flipping project you'll like to participate in. Select how much you'll like to invest and sign the transaction to confirm. And that's it. Keep in mind that you'll need both land and BUSD tokens to participate in the flips. As mentioned before, your tokens will be redeemed automatically upon completion of the sale for your share of the profits. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. You'll also find links to all our social channels in case you haven't joined the community already. Hopefully, we see you there soon. Landshare. Becoming a landlord has never been this easy.